China has established an air defense identification zone over disputed waters in the East China Sea. The zone covers the islands known in Japan as the Senkaku and in China as the Diaoyu. Any non-commercial aircraft entering the zone must submit a flight plan to the Chinese authorities. The aircraft must clearly display its nationality. It must be equipped with a radar transponder and should keep the transponder turned on throughout the flight. It must also maintain radio communications with the Chinese. The zone came into effect on Saturday. China said it will adopt what it calls defensive emergency measures to respond to aircraft that do not follow the instructions.